Hey, Jeff here with Home Built Workshop. You know, hand tools can be expensive. So we have a couple tips for you to help you get the most out of your hand tools. First tip, keep them clean. Wipe them down with a rag when you're done using them. After that, always put them away where they belong. Store them in a toolbox or a tool chest is the best place for them. Second thing, don't leave your tools sitting outside where they can be exposed to the elements. Don't leave them on the ground either. It's not good for you. Keep your tools lubricated. This keeps them working smoothly and they'll last a lot longer for you. So there you go. A couple of quick tips to help you get the most out of your hand tools.